How to fix and solve Zedge app video wallpaper not found. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this following video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how can you fix and solve Zedge app video wallpaper not found. If your Zedge app video wallpaper isn't showing up, you could try these steps to troubleshoot. First of all, you have to check your device's compatibility. Now, some of the videos won't be downloaded due to the compatibility, so you have to make sure to check the quality as well as the compatibility of your device by going to your settings, or you could go and explore it on the image as well, or you could explore it on the speech as well. Likewise, if that's the issue if it seems to be a compatibility issue, then you could actually go ahead and look for other options or some familiar items such as that, after which you could also ensure that you've enabled permissions. So in order to enable permissions, you want to go to the Zedge application, and then you want to long press onto the app and go to app info section, after which you want to go to permissions, and here you want to make sure to enable permissions as camera, files and medias in order to let it download or in order to locate it or fix the issue. And while you're on this page, you could also try going to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache, and then restart your device by holding on to the side buttons, and that should be able to fix the issue. If not, you could also go ahead and verify the download. That means double check that the video wallpaper you wanted to use is fully downloaded in your Zedge library or not. So you want to open up your application, and then you want to go to the library section. So here you could find it on the My Zedge, and you could actually see your favorites or downloads items over here. So if you're unable to see it, so that means you've actually not downloaded it correctly. So you want to go back to the same video which you actually wanted to download and click on the download button. That should be able to fix the issue as well. At the same time, some custom launcher can interfere with the video wallpaper functionality, so try disabling your custom launcher temporarily to see if that fixes the issue or not. Or else you could go ahead and contact the support team. So go to the settings, and here go to help and just send a feedback. Just tap on it and click on send email and write in the issue that you're having, and they will look into your matter. So these are some of the ways to fix and solve Zedge app video wallpaper not found. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.